Hey guys, welcome back to my training. With this video today, I want to introduce to you this new online banking website. So this new website has been developed and it has a lot of features. So what you're actually seeing right now is the homepage of the website. This is the homepage, beautifully designed, and the contents have been written. So this new online banking website has a lot of features like email notification, SMS, domestic and wire transfer, crypto deposit too. So I will show you how this website works, and I will also show you how to set up this kind of website for yourself or for your clients. So right now I will take you through the pages. This is the home page. It also have the about us page. This is the about us page. The about us page. We also have the accounts page. So this is the account page. See that now, and we can go to the login. So this is where the users log into their account. You can log in with your banking ID, or you can also log in with your email address. And again, you can also create an account. So this is the account creation page. And another unique features of this website is that it has multiple themes. You can see right now the dark theme and the light theme. So I'm sure you're convinced this is actually beautiful. So let me log into a demo account now to show you how it works. So just put in my login details. Now I need to set my PIN. As you can see right now, this is how the dashboard looks. So mobile desktop view, this is how the dashboard looks. While for mobile view, this is how it looks. So this is the mobile view of the website. So this website also has the admin side where the admin controls everything that happens on the site. So to log into the admin URL, it's your domain name /admin/login.php, and I will log into the admin dashboard now. So this is the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard now. So let me take you back to the user dashboard. So one important features of this website is that it allows transfers. So interbank transfer, where you transfer from within this bank, within these bank services, you transfer from one user to another user, and you can transfer from this bank to another bank within the same country or outside or the country. That's for the wire transfer. And you can also receive cryptocurrencies, check payments, and also the Rosano banking service tag. So the Rosano banking services is actually the name of this website right now. So what I will do now, I would have carried out an interbank transfer, but I only have one user at the moment, so I can't transfer to another user because I only have one particular user on this system right now. And again, you can do a domestic transfer. So I'll make a domestic transfer now. So put in the amount. I'll choose the country and I will click on proceed. You can see, so this is the transaction preview. I'll click on proceed. Now it's asking me to enter my one-time code. So this code was actually sent to the email address. So I'll go to my email now. You can see. So you can see right now that when I actually logged into the system, I received the mail. So you can see now, this is login notification. Now let me go and copy so you can see this is the one-time code I will send to my mail. I'll paste it here and I will confirm this transaction. still loading. So you can see now transaction what status. Transaction is what processing. So what I'll do now is I'll go to the admin side to actually carry out some actions on this what transaction. So if you go back to the mail now, you see that you receive a mail. You can see now domestic transfer. You can see the mail details here. So now I'll go back to the admin now. So I'll go to bank transactions. So you can see now which of the transaction I did right now was a domestic transaction. I will click on domestic transaction. You can see right now this is the transfer I did, and you can see transaction was processing. So I'll click on edit. So you can actually update this transaction right now, like you can change the details of this transaction. Then you click on update, or you can accept the transaction. You can put this transaction on hold, and you can also decline this transaction. So I will accept the transaction right now. So you can see transaction updated was successfully. Wait while we direct you. Now when this transaction is accepted, the user will also receive a mail that the transaction to what has been accepted. So let's go back to the transfer again now. So I will do a wire transfer right now, and for this wire transfer, this is where you have to use billing code such as your COT code, your tax code, and the IMF code. So to activate the various codes, I'll go to the admin. So if you want to activate the billing code, first of all you have to go to system settings. Systems, you can see this billing code option here. You can see billing code option here. You have to turn it on, but right now it's activated, so I'll just turn it off for now and turn it back on again. So you can see right now it's deactivated, so I'll turn it on now. So I want the users to transfer using their billing code. So if you go to the settings again now, you see that the billing code is what's activated. You can see right now tax code can be activated and can what's deactivated. Same for COT code and same for what IMF code. So you can see each of them now. Now let's go to the users. Now this is the particular user. So generally I've activated billing code. Now I will have to activate billing code for this user. I'll preview the user now. You can see billing code is deactivated. Now I will activate billing code for this user. I will update this code now. Review again. You see that the billing code is active. So I'll go back to this user now and try to make a wire transfer. So note that this billing code is only used for wire transfers. So I'll put in the account number now. I'll type in the account name, the bank name, put in the amounts, put in the SWIFT code and the routing number, choose the account type. I'll select the country and click on proceed. So right now you proceed, because as soon right now it's asking me for COT code. So where you get this COT code is from the user. So you go to users, all users, you click on view on that particular user. You can see right now you can set the code here. So I'll copy this code for this user now, paste it here. Now for the task code, I'll copy, paste it. For the IMF code, I'll copy, I'll paste it, and I'll verify again. Now you have to end it again with an OTP to make sure that the account belongs to you. So I will confirm the transaction now. Now you can see the transaction was processing. So I'll go to the admin now and then I'll go to transactions and then that is a wire transaction. Okay, I'll click on wire transaction. So see now I can view. So what I'll do now is I'll put this transaction on hold. So I'll put it on hold. So I just put the transaction on hold. So you can see the mail for the transaction done. So you see right now the transaction is still processing. I can come now and decline this transaction. Again, see your wire transaction failed. You can see that now. See that. So this is how the various transfer works. We can also do to receive cryptocurrency. So you can put in the amounts, you can put in the type, put in the wallet, and you put in your transaction pin. You click process. You can see your withdrawal request processing. So which means you can actually withdraw the currency from this system. So you can see right now when you go to recent transaction, you see the various recent transactions, and you may click on that particular one. It shows the details of that of that transaction. So I can go to the admin side now to go to the admin side to actually now pending withdrawal. You can see the pending withdrawal. I can view, I can accept it. So when I come and then click on it now, you can see transaction was completed. So this is how the various transfer works on the bank. So when you go to history, so we go to look at it now, history here, you click on history, you see your various history. So if there's an inflow, it will be calculated here. If there's an outflow, it will be calculated here. And again, when you come to this button here, you can purchase stocks. You can find stock here and purchase. You can see right now you can buy this stock. So you can see now, actually proceed. You click on proceed, you put in your transaction pin and you make purchase of this particular stock. Now the transaction still processing. When you go to my cards, you can request for a card, put in your pin and you request for a card. You can see card request fee is $7. Then when you request for the card, the admin approves and the card will be given to you. And when you go to settings, you can see you can change your theme to the dark theme here in settings. You can change your profile picture. Change your profile picture and edit your basic details. Edit your basic details here. And you can view your account limits. So you can see right now the various account limits. Now you can upgrade to any of these package there. So this bank also have a referral system, so you can give your referral link to users, so other users to register. So So this is where you get the referral link. And you can see what statements of results, what's called banking statements. You can select the dates. You can select the dates now, and you got this in PDF format, so you can see generate statements. So now let me take you to the admin side to show you other features. So when you go to credit and debit user, this is where you can actually fund the user account from the admin side. So you select the user, you select the amount which you want to credit, you put in the sender name. Let me just say, for example, channel purchase, description, let me say just for the amount of, so you can put any dates here, you can credit. Account funded successfully. So when you go to the mail now, you can see credit notification. You can see that now. You see other mails that has been coming. You can see them. So when you reload this page now, see the amount was added to the balance. You can see the credit here. You can see credits. You can see it now. So there's one part I didn't talk about in the admin side where you can actually deposit. So when you go to add money, you can see your crypto deposit there. You can see the bank transfer. You can see you got check payment. So when you go to crypto deposits, you can make a deposit. You select the particular address or no, the crypto type. You see the address. All you have to do is copy it and submit your proof of payment. Put in your transaction PIN, then you click on what to proceed. Now you can see the deposit request was pending. Then I'll come to see crypto deposits here, pending deposits. I'll view. You can see the receipts here now. You click on it, you can see the receipts. So I will accept this deposit now. So it's still loading. Good, so it has been what? Accepted. I will go back to my dashboard now, reload. You can see that now. You can see the amount was added to what? My balance. So you can see that. So when you go back to the admin side now, you can see the various transactions here, bank transactions, the debit, the credit. When you come to credit transaction, you see the various credit transactions. Same go for the other transfers too. So when you come to crypto deposit, I just talked about this one now. When you come to crypto withdrawal, is when the user withdraws with the cryptocurrencies. So for stock and loans, you can actually the user can apply for loans too. So when you go to loans on this dashboard, consider now new loan, they put in the amount of loan they want. They type in their description, then you click on proceed. Sign on proceed. Put in your PIN code. See now. So when you go back to the admin dashboard now, you can see the loan transaction here. Look at it now. So you click on view. See now. So I can accept now. You can see that now. So now let me go back to the loan, stocks and loan. So this is where you add your stocks. For the stock feature, this is where you add stock. You can add more stock here, and you can see stock transactions here. You can edit to accept or decline, or as you pay interest now, or what to reject what purpose. You can pay interest and you can also reject what purchase. So for virtual cards, when you go to virtual card, you will see the card, like where the user actually requests for cards. So like right now I can request for card now, put in my transaction pin. So I'll go back to the admin now. I'll reload this page. You can see. So the card number and the expiring date and the CVV was automatically generated. So all I'll do is come to view. I can process what card, activate card, or old card. So I'll process card first. So now then I'll activate the card. So when you go to send SMS message, so you can send SMS message from this platform. So to set up your SMS, I will tell you how you can actually set up the SMS. So you go to users here. This is where you see all the various users, and you go to create new user. You can create a new user from the admin dashboard. So when you go to tickets, this contains where all the various tickets submitted by the users. And when you go to edit profile, you edit the admin profile details. So for digital payments, you can come here for the add new payment method, put in the payment name and put in payment details. So this way you can change the wallet addresses. So you can actually you can delete too, and you can delete. For SMTP settings, this is where you set up your SMTPs for sending and receiving mails. Right, for the SMS API, this is where you put in your SMS details. So there is a test file accompanying with this script that instructs you on how you can actually set up this SMS. These are padding wise API settings there. And for system settings, this is where you make your bank settings, like the system name, the system email, the request card fee and other fees. I can activate and deactivate codes and the user transfer options. So when you right now, transfer options for all users is actually activated. Transfer options for all users is actually activated, and you can also disable transfer for a particular user. When you go to that particular user profile, click on view. You can see right now transfer option. You click off your updates. So when you go to domestic transfer now, you can see right now you cannot transfer. Kindly contact support. You can see whereas when that happens when you turn off the transfer for a particular user. But generally you can go to the settings, the system setting, to turn off transfer for all users. So this is how the website works. So what I will show you now is how you can actually set up this kind of website in no time, as fast as possible. So to set up this kind of website, you need to get your domain name, and you need to get your hosting, and you need to get the script. So to get the scripts, you can contact me through my contact details, which are actually on this video description. And when you get your domain name and you get your hosting, your cPanel details will be sent to you to your mail. Then when you log into your cPanel So I just logged into my cPanel now. I'll go to File Manager. You can choose to upload yours under the public underscore HTML, or you can create a subdomain. So I want to create a subdomain now. I will search on domains. So this hosting right now is actually a Namecheap server. So you can actually use Namecheap, you can use UIs. This script has been tested on Namecheap, have been tested on UIs, and they are working very, very well. So I'll create a new subdomain now, and I'll call it Sano. So I just created my subdomain now, and I will go to this folder. I'll click on upload. I'll select the file name. You can see it now. I just selected it. So right now it's uploading. So you can see right now the script file has been uploaded successfully. I'll go back to my file manager now, and I'll reload, and I will extract this file. So the file now has been extracted. I will go into this folder, move all files to this place now. So you can see right here there's an installation guide. You can open this file, and then you can see this place now, PaddyWise SMS API token. This is how you can set up your SMS. So you can also edit that to follow the instructions in there. So for this instruction is to install the script. So we can come to include folder, go to config.php. You change this this web title to yours. You put in your website link here, just like this now. So for this particular one now, we put in this. As you can see, make sure you don't add the // here. The / should not be added. You put in your email, and you put in the phone number. So when you come here now, you put in your web your database details, the database username, database password, and database name. Then you click on save. So after that, you go into your phpMyAdmin. When you go into your phpMyAdmin, you will select the database which you created, and when you select the database which you created, you click on import. You click on import, and you see this SQL file now. Download this SQL file. Then when you click on import, you select, you can see browse your computer for file. You will click on this. You select the DB file which you downloaded, and you click on import. You scroll down to click on import. By the time the database has fully been imported, you will come to this installation file. You can see it now. Come to this down part, that's line 35. You see the demo user login and the admin user login. So for this one right now, I will copy this name now. So my admin login is on /admin/login.php. .php. So I'll go to SMTP settings. So go to SMTP settings to set up your mail. So to set up the mail now, you put in your website name here. You leave this, and then for your SMTP also to be your domain name. Then SMTP username, you go to your email address, email accounts on your cPanel. Now email accounts. If you don't have an email, so all you have to do is to create an email. When you create an email, the password which you use to create an email, you put the password here. You put the password here, and the email address the username here, which will definitely become this. For example, you will put it here and put it here too. Then you click on save settings. So when you finally do that, then your website should be up and running. So if you have any difficulty installing this script, you can contact me through my contact details, which is under this video description. So I will draw the curtain to the close right here. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.